Yeah, there's no real videos out here showing any kind of teardown on the truck itself. You know, guys will start, get the first little thing, they'll say, well, this is what you got to do, and that's it. But there's no real walkthrough on how to do all this crap. So I guess, well, see that friggin', nah, I can take that cross member out. Okay, because the mounts mount right up here on the frame. That's okay. So that cross member I can take out down there. Goes straight across the oil pan. Yeah, okay. We'll get that out. And then I might be able to get that shield off. That'd give it a little bit more room once that gets out of the way. The torque converter shield. But as you can see, I have oiled the hell out of them damn exhaust bolts, and they ain't coming off. I mean, I could break them, but there again, I got more work to do. So let's try to avoid it at all cost. But boy, it's my truck, my baby, the beast. And when I get done with her, she'll be a serious beast. Hell on wheels. Yeah, awesome. But there's no real tear down on the truck. You see people doing a oil pump. Okay, you got to do all this right here, and then you got to worry about dealing with that bolt. And then some say that you take and grind off that little tab that's on the pickup tube for the oil pump and the screen and all that, and then spin it around, which, well, hell, I don't want any damn metal filings off in my oil pan or any shit like that. And so I guess what I'll do is this will be the breakdown video on how to do a GMC 2500 HD. It's a Sierra. There's what it is. My baby. Awesome. There you go. Peace. Nan, shot, bot, and all that other good shit. Bye.